Yeah, welcome to my assignment presentation, which is Book Hub. So I already started the backend. So the sub is running here, and then the front end sub is also running here. So let me go directly to the front end. So this is the home page of the website, and I'm going to first log in because I created account already. So let me just log in. So now I am logged in and we can now see very many books which I get online. So in this book, we can be able to perform the thing which are needed. For example, we can be able to search for the book. Let me search for one of, so we can see from now. It's showing the book we search for. We can also start using the generic. So no book found on this. So we can also see there's another book here which is found on Epic Fiction. You can also touch using titles. Yeah, you can see we can also start using descending order, and then we can also clear the, the filter. Also in the assignment, we are required to show the book detail. You can see from here, this is the name of the book written by this person with everything. We can also submit our rating, like here, the rating is now submitted. So this is about the book. And that the website is also responsive. So let me show you it. When I inspect, you can see from here, it's responsive. Let me just select and it's the size of the phone. So it's responsive here. Let me select another one. We can also see the responsive here. So this is about the project demo. So let me go to the backend API. So when we come to API, okay, so let me first talk to you about the books. When you see here, this is the Django admin whereby all the books are there. You can delete the book. You can edit the book as admin. I logged in already, and then the users are also here. So this is about the Django. So when you come here, let me refresh to show it again. Yeah, you see this is the so this is the point which is showing us the API. This is the point showing us the API, the book API. So the book API here, this is how you can know that the API are working correctly and are also connected to database very well. So when you come to my workbench here, you can be able to, let me first show you the table. When I run this one, it will show you the table. I already wrote the code ready to save my time. So when you also come to books and you run the book, you can be able to see all the book. These are the book which were in the website. You can also see the the users, which mean that the things are connected in real time and everything is working from database to API to the backend. So now let me get back to the code and explain some of the thing a little bit. So when we come to search and filtering, so we can see that here in line 3, I have imported the Redux right for filtering. This is where we have imported it. And then when you go to the rest of the code, this is where the logic is happening. So the logic is happening from here, and the thing will be solved within the title, author. Yeah, this is how it should be. And also when you go to search, you can see where the search file here. So when you come to the search file, you can see that in line 10, this is whereby I have import the redact action, and on line 18 to 19, this is where we use this app use app dispatch and then use app selector. This is where we have put them. and hook to interact with the store. So this is about the logic behind, and the rest of the code explain everything. So when we come to authentication, in authentication, when we come to this file of auth contact.ts, so in the contact folder in src, so when we come to this folder, and we can see that in line number one, this is where we have import the the logic which is going to work, which is create contact and then use for the state management. And on line 4 to line 7, we define the auth contact type interface with the login and logout and the file token. And this and the whole reducer on line 15 to, yeah, from 15, I think, all the way to line 32 under the login and logout action. So this is all about it. And then when it come to state management, when you come to index.tf file, so in the store, you can see the redact action store, redact action store configuration, which is done. And then from line 5 to line 8, we see where we combine both book reducer and filter reducer. We separate the concern of which is concern required by the by the assignment specification. So this is basically about the the state management. I did not explain this all because of the time, but this is the logic, and then auth contact, which handle the authentication. So these are the folders. These are the folders. This is the code structure, and from here everything is implemented and working successfully. I have walked you through the website from search filter, and then authentication, and then responsiveness, and then backend with the API, and then database, which is showing the real time, and also admin dashboard. And also there are some of the things which were bonus. For example, let me log in and I show you. Another thing is the pagination. You can see from here. So there is the pagination is implemented, and I'm going to stop here. It is all about my Summative project, and thank you.